whole day, me I try get yo for the whole day, me I try get everybody to save my life. For the whole day, reggae music can never dead. Them want expose what? You may have a picture with a girl? Imprint. Yeah. You may have a picture with a girl? Yeah. You're not listening to the music when you're gone in a bed. Huh? Well, I could see where it's going to shut off.
I better meet them. Come on, understand.
No, man.
I tell the chopper.
Zaya. Zaya, come here. Come here. Sit down right there. Sit down right there. See you up on the live with me right there, so. Good?
Of course.
You sure?
Chopper, what do you mean?
You know, I didn't sit down and explain everything. Come on. I have to ask everybody, bro. Is that something I asked Protege and he never reacted like this?
I'm surprised that you should ask a question like that.
You should not be, because you should ask me too.
Why not ask you?
Why? Why not?
What do you mean, why not?
Why not?
I don't concern myself with what you're thinking. Like, me know say my heart clean. Me know say...
Oh, so my heart is clean?
No, me just say, me live my life after that.
Oh, okay. Are the clean heart people them job flesh, you know? Fastest, you know? Don't it?
That.
If I that or that?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't feel safe. You know that, right?
Yeah, I understand.
You mind if we sit on the live until I am forward?
I don't mind.
Alright. My heart is a jar of ghetto tears. And me come here to sing the ghetto prayers. This is a song of go bankers a feel we sang. Remember good no man, look at where I'm coming from. I am a man, every single one. Yeah man, the witness song. Mama said fi sing along. Oh gosh. Who no preacher, little girl. Come here so fi rock the world. And I'm starting with the... Sing it now. You don't want the chorus? You don't know the Michael Jackson?
Yeah.
So sing it.
In the mirror.
Me say me go come round here so I can make everybody ball, man.
Oh, could it be any clearer?
My girl don't sing the song. I left it in the world. No me a recipe on the lip of every ghetto girl. Again. Me and you know, we go collaborate. So when me a sing, I'm starting with the girl in the mirror. You start with the man. You ready? See people in myself is sing, bro. And you tell me say you're ready for the artist thing. That you tell me. Yeah. You ready for the artist thing? You see the artist world?
Music.
Hold on now. You're just making music? So you don't have a mission?
Of course. The mission apartheid.
Sheen, you want to sing it? I'm starting, harmonize with me. I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm gonna make them change them ways. No message could have been any clearer. Remember, see my voice gone, Zaya. Sing no, man.
Yeah, the lead, man. That's it.
My jar blood clot. There you go. My heart is a jar of ghetto tears. Oh gosh. Is that? Zaya, tell them how the song they write because you were there tonight. Explain to them.
Ghetto tears, man.
Explain to them how it happened.
Feeling the pain of the people.
Tell them exactly now what I said to you.
Caring the people, man.
How many days me not sleep, Zaya?
Days upon days.
Zaya, watch you now, warrior. Yeah. We don't want the esoteric. Me just tear down the esoteric line. I want to go on and die here. Doing good?
Yeah, man, I listen to you.
Because see it, I know, at the movie I shot same time,
tears,
you know.
Man. Tears upon tears.
Talk to them as if you're telling a story. Lila came up. Tell him from the beginning, no man. People, Me go.
She just forward with a heavy heart, you know what I say?
I forward it with a heavy heart, and were you supposed to be here?
Never supposed to do that.
Okay. You weren't supposed.
Not even did even know say yeah forward.
Okay, you never.
Because when you pull up, me I say wait.
Alright. And when I pull up, and you say, hold on, remember say one at the time too? You did all things, so me come in there for tear down the line in the point.
I don't recognize the vehicle. I see a bike and I say.
Yeah man, because we have to tape chang now because the message gets stronger, right? You couldn't even recognize the voice to all my voice gone because guess what me do people? And I dance all, me gonna knock the ball now, you know. I went in the dance hall to knock the ball. And what go on? When me tell us some more you for come in the dance hall, come do with me. Yeah. Show them now. Right. You say skate and play. Alright, no bother with the youth them man. No worry with the youth them. I know the youth them I feel it. Them I feel it a long time. They are feeling the pain long time. But guess what? You see if you make music and you not feel for them pain. You record this?
Of course.
You sure? And yeah. I want him record the conversation here, but him say battery dead. So somebody record it for me. Mad thing. So coming at the hilltop people, and you don't know lilaike is as real as it gets. So Zaya now, I just send Zaya in because we really don't know which side they're gonna light the fire. And this is a fire you never did that try though. You not listen. If you don't listen, you don't know if it come next. This fire is trying to tear it down. Right? So the fire is trying to tear it down. Brother, I'm supposed to smell all frozen car. From me jump out of my bed, me not even bed. I know me not see the OG now. Make sure say protege is safe, you know. Right? Because remember say I am first knock the ball. So I came up to the studio and we say, yo, Ja! Right now we're there in the hilltop, so we say, watch you now. Remove all negative energy. Like say, the devil I move like say I'm stronger than me. Now. When me dey on my live at the time I chat about things. Nothing do pause though. So nowadays it's a pause. I remember say, how much Wi-Fi did you left up there?
About 3, 4.
3, 4. From a reach up in the hilltop, I tell you something I can't get. No connect, no. You no good now?
In and out.
In and out. Just like how Lila living in and out. No. That's like how Lila living in and out. Right, Zaya? People don't know say Zaya and my grandmother born the same day. Zaya granny and my granny born the same day. You know? So don't that mean that Zaya is my original brother from another mother. Zaya say yes, no man.
Yes,
Zaya see people in there, no.
Remember say I see him place, no?
And I see him place too. Remember say
how much your granny a turn?
Me no remember how much your granny a turn.
100 man.
100 film granny a turn. So film granny, yeah, your granny forward long time. So I feel granny even down there hold up the line, you know. So if me come in a hilltop now and me not get no service, everybody else in the household I get service. You never did get service. You even say to me, say, yo, me no know in a year thing alone now work. And people, let me tell you something, man. I haven't slept in 3 days. 3 days, I not sleep. 3 days, I have not slept. My granny, the puppy, I try to reach up here right now. And to me said the mission strong. Me can't even move. Me have to wait till Ayana reach on my feet. Big up Ayana, a real one way. She come over here today and she come. And me tell her say she want me stylist and me tell her say I want her to go program some clothes for me. But me should have never ever make she come off of the hill, no. She could have bring the two we go link my granny because watch her. A 2 car me have on the hilltop. One of them now start. The next one me can't find the key. The next one, we cannot find the key. New music will come, people. And the new music will come and go Poppy Seal. See Zaya, yeah? Zaya is one of the greatest producers around here, so. This is a young man with me.
Artist this, yeah?
Me and Protege sit down and talk about every day. He had a plan, people. We had a plan to create some warriors of light. We had a plan to create some warriors of light. And I was the one searching for the warriors. Because you know, Protege the God. Remember, say Jaja never left out in seat, you know. He stay seated up. So who have to go look for you people, them? Now the angel. And me look. And I can tell you what every single one of them look like. I can tell you what every single one of them mission is. You get me? The warrior them right now in our music is not everybody is on the same mission as I am. Because Jazzy Lee used to come up in the hill where Jazzy Lee is there. Now who knows, maybe Jazz busy. And this is very random. But me and Jazzy in the street last night and I give her proper reasoning. Me and Zaya up here so. Zaya, then I hear like my ball and right, get her tears. I hear time for talk your part of the story now.
See, man. Tears upon tears, you know?
So my Wi-Fi come down.
Morning here fully well going. All the connections there now.
You see them live and move talk now, man?
Yeah, man, I did just one of them periods in my entire career where I literally see one of the greatest people in the music. Just shell down emotionally and just...
One banner, one flag.
You know them there?
Remember says not a dirty rag. Chat now?
I hate that, man.
I hate that?
No, man, I build upon the story and I show
No,
you.
tell them the story now. You don't have to use the esoteric, man.
Yeah.
Me come up here, so. Me tell you, say, Zaya, me I feel one pain in my heart. Me say, Zaya, I feel like I want to go to the hospital. What you say to me, say? You say, no, man, sis, come sit down. Everything all right. Remember that, that you tell me, though. And when you tell me, say, everything all right, me come sit down side of you. Me tell you, say, I'm feeling the pain of the people because me been going to ghetto. Me been going to ghetto, remember, say, and Andrew can come for me if him feel like. But we outside, for real. And so if me out there collect the ghetto tears, people, and I feel my heart to hold it down. And I know what's going on for my heart right now, don't it?
Really?
Heavy. Remember, say, that's why I know, say, man like Chronic Law, the real one, can say heart to bleed. Nation boss say, yo, me have to go airplane mode too, you know, Lila. The last time I talked to Popcorn say, trouble their feet. You see me? All of my warrior them there with me. Jesse Royal. And from when Jesse Royal I tell me, say, Lila, we need to see you. Because the boss want to chat to you one time. People, we up here do the music out of the love of our soul case, don't it? That's why we're feeling it in our soul cases, in our soul plates.
That piece for money, yeah?
It could have never be for money. We're doing it because we have a mission. Bad mind couldn't deny it. Jealousy couldn't deny it. It cannot be in it because the whole way up here and your mouth one get up at.
One pot.
The whole way down on the ground and your mouth one get up at. The whole way and your mouth what?
One get up at, man.
Chalk up your voice now, yeah, man, you say it.
Have to make you lead, man. Lead with it.
I'm if you lead.
Yeah. We follow,
all right.
Follow it. You understand what I say?
So, remember now, you know, who am I God them in our music? Who are my teachers in music? Zaya, I talk to you about it all the time. Name one of them, quick.
Protege, man.
Protege are the first teacher in our music. Where dig it there? Out of portal, though. Him not up on the ground. He might do some different work because the warriors of the light, he set already. He set already. He said from the whole of we connect. Right? But Jana in there. Jana in been a tell me say Lila forward over Tanzania no man. Forward over Tanzania. Well Lila there right now. We do up at the habitat with Zaya. And from morning, my chest not feel right, people.
Heavy heart.
Heavy heart. Me I carry heavy.
Song there.
Remember, I want to listen to the song. My heart is a jar of ghetto tears. My heart is a jar of ghetto tears. And this your tongue and sing a ghetto praise. Right? You want to go look if me left the key in the mini for me. Because I don't think the mini lock in. My heart is a jar of ghetto tears. This is a song I figure bang cause I feel me song. Well, I no look no man, look at where I'm coming from. I am a woman, every single one. You see, the door open? That means say in the car, can't lock with it in there. Check and I see it. I am woman, every single one. Yeah, man, that song ya bang. Look at where I'm coming from. How much did I smoke? You see, that's the thing when I like to take the most high blessings and take it and give it to all sorts of things. How about just speak to me an idea? You find it? Try the van again for me, eh? Cause what happens is that more while when it go in a reverse after it cool up, you have to just press it till it come out. People. People, we cannot allow the reggae music to fall again another time.